Tired of your Snapchat stories looking like they were filmed with a potato? Let's ditch the blur and boost your Snap game. First, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, scroll down until you see Account Actions and then tap Manage. Clearing your cache can work wonders, so tap Clear Cache and then confirm this gets rid of temporary files that might be bogging down your camera. Don't worry, it won't delete your memories. Lighting is key. Natural light is your best friend. Face a window or go outside for brighter, clearer snaps. Avoid dark or overly harsh light. Snapchat filters can sometimes subtly enhance your video quality. Experiment with different filters to see if any improve the overall look of your snap. Tap the screen to focus. Make sure your subject is sharp and in focus before you snap that pic or start recording. Utilize Snapchat's built-in editing tools. Adjust brightness, contrast, or add text to further enhance your snaps after you've taken them. And there you have it. Following these simple tips can dramatically improve the quality of your Snapchat photos and videos. Now go out there and create some stunning stories.